Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with ClickFunnels. Now, there are a ton of different ways for affiliates to make money with ClickFunnels, and you don't have to necessarily be an affiliate. Uh, Let me take a step back. What I mean by that is there are a lot of us who are affiliates and we're full-time affiliates promoting ClickFunnels and maybe other products, and ClickFunnels tends to be our core product. You can still package ClickFunnels into, say, a product or a course you're selling and collect the affiliate commissions. I hope that makes sense. So what I mean by that is maybe you're teaching a course on, Facebook ads, and within that course, you also recommend the tool ClickFunnels to build landing pages for your Facebook ads. So you're making money off the course, but you're also making money as an affiliate. I hope that makes sense. So what I want to share with you are my top 3 ways how I'm making money right now. And I just started playing with the affiliate program about 6 months ago, and it's really starting to take off the more work I put into it. Now, one of the main ways, obviously, people are making money is, now this is your affiliate dashboard. So if you're, I'm not going to go over all this, assuming you're with ClickFunnels now, or if you're not, you would get access to this. It's pretty simple to get to. You just go to affiliate dashboards. So you have tons of different products you can promote, right? Now, most people with ClickFunnels who are doing affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels, or maybe they're packaging ClickFunnels with a course, they're starting here in the main area. And this is obviously the go-to ClickFunnels software. So this is your, if you go here, you go to get affiliate tools. This is going to be the program that I'm using right now for ClickFunnels, and most people are. It's $97 a month. As an affiliate, you get 40%, which is around $38, and that's reoccurring revenue. So you get that every single month that somebody is a member, which is really cool, and that adds up very quickly. If they're on the new, what's now called the Platinum plan, or used to be the Edison Suite, is $297 a month, so you make around $118 a month for that. So it's a great program and can be very, very lucrative. Now, one of the best ways to promote this is you have all these different options for links. Okay, you can do ClickFunnels trial page, which is going to take them to a bigger page like this. You have the short trial page, which is simply going to say, start your trial now. And then you also have all these different, these are like testimonials or case studies. So you have agency freelancer, info products, e-commerce, coaching, consulting, network marketing, and so on. So each of these, if you send them to this link, so maybe you're promoting to agency freelancers or info products, you would use this as your link, and you just simply copy it. All right. And I'll show you what this looks like. And this is how I would promote it. I go up here. I'm just showing you what this page looks like. So what it's doing is it's creating a case study. So you can actually target people who are specific to this. So this is Julie Stoyan, who is an agency freelancer and is a ClickFunnels. I believe she's a ClickFunnels employee now. So you can send this to people and they can get the case study. And the cool thing is once they put in their email, they are now cookied to you. So if they get the free information, the case study, but end up buying later, you get paid. So you can create content around agency and freelancers. You can create a blog around agency freelancers using ClickFunnels. You can create YouTube videos. The list goes on and on. Whatever you do, you have to provide value. So for me, I have a blog and I use the ClickFunnels trial, and I do a lot of reviews on ClickFunnels, landing pages, things like that. I also have a YouTube, well, hold on, I'll come back to this. I also have a YouTube channel, and what I do is I make videos. So I make videos promoting ClickFunnels. And if you just go in here, you'll see a bunch of ClickFunnels videos, and these are all affiliates. Kevin David. Now, Kevin David, this is a perfect example of what I've talked about. Kevin David is, a big name with internet marketing. He does a lot of Amazon stuff and teaches people how to make courses. So he obviously, this 206,000 views. So he's made a video talking about how to make money with ClickFunnels. And then what he'll do is, if I'm right, he'll have a link in his, so he'll talk about how to use this with probably one of his courses or one of his programs. And then if you scroll down here, look, he'll have links You can try ClickFunnels for free. You can join his Facebook group. And if you click on this and you get ClickFunnels, then Kevin will get a percent of that. And then he also has a course. So you can go through his free course and then try it. And then if you end up signing up, you get it. And I offer the same kind of things. And then he also has his courses that he sells. And within those courses, he recommends ClickFunnels as a tool to use, right? Makes sense. So this is one of the most effective ways right now is YouTube and blogs using SEO. Google owns YouTube, so they're the two biggest search engines out there. So those are the two top ways I would promote, would be through a blog and through YouTube. And you find a niche that is something you're familiar with. You can be an accountant, you can be a small business owner, you could be a coach, a freelancer, a gym owner. Everyone needs to collect leads. Everybody needs more customers. Everybody wants to make more money. ClickFunnels is the tool to do that. So you create content around that and you put value out there. And if you're consistent with it, it'll start to pay off. Now, lastly is this is something I've been tinkering with lately is if you go to Upwork and you just type in ClickFunnels, there's all these ClickFunnels jobs. Now, I've been a ClickFunnels user for about 4 years, so I feel pretty confident that I can handle all of these jobs for the most part. I know how to build funnels. I've built hundreds of funnels for myself and for clients. So I'd only recommend this if you have been using ClickFunnels for a little bit and you're very comfortable building funnels for people, dealing with some basic coding issues, connecting emails, that sort of thing. But this is a great way. I mean, some of these jobs, these are like per hour, 35 to 65. They might be smaller, like just 150. It might be something simple like, hey, can you connect my active campaign account? And that would take you about 5 minutes and they'll pay you $150 for it. And then you have jobs like, hey, we're looking for somebody 10 to 30 hours a week for a real estate agent. So they want you to build funnels for a real estate agent, right? They want to sell more homes and rentals. This is another huge market. You create content around real estate, okay? So those are my 3 main ways, guys, to promote. I would use YouTube, blog, and Upwork if you want to make some quick cash. And then you just need to go through the affiliate program. And one thing I would highly recommend is you start with this boot camp. It is a free boot camp, and this will show you how to do everything that I just talked about. I'll put some links below for you guys to check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck to you.